Hi, I'm Jason Barnard. I'm the Brand SERP guy, and today we're looking at the Brand SERP for Nutella. More specifically, the differences between the Brand SERP for Nutella in Italy and the Brand SERP for Nutella in America. Now, looking at this, what I'm seeing here is a lot of facts about Nutella, the product, and the manufacturer of Nutella, and questions like, is Nutella from Australia? I don't know why people would think that, but they obviously do, and it may well be one of those mysteries of the universe that we never solve. But as we scroll down, when we're in Italy, we're looking at facts about the product and the company with just a couple of things here of how to buy it or what we can do, how we can consume it. Whereas when we look in America, once we get past is Nutella from Australia, we scroll down and we're looking at recipes, we're looking at where we can buy it, we're looking at videos of how we can actually emulate, make Nutella at home. It's very much what we do with the product, eating, making new things with Nutella using recipes, or making our own Nutella at home. Interesting distinction between Italy and America. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.